Hey everybody, this is an alternative method to the Bosch oven door hinge problem. Okay, so what the problem is, mostly because of old age and not moving well, this piece that usually, falls down into place or whatever, gets stuck behind this piece of metal. And that causes you not to be able to open the door. I thought it through. Instead of pulling the whole oven out and accessing it through the side, I thought of a tool. So first of all, I realized after a few tries, you need to lubricate the hinge. That it's kind of exposed, but it's right at the edge of this metal area. Lube this up, and through Scotch tape and some wire made the mechanism. Okay, so as this piece, well, you don't have to picture it, you know it, it's stuck behind that. So I go up as the door is actually, still in the upright area. You're able to, with numerous tries, go up and over the hinge. Okay, and then slowly close the door. You have the hinge grabbed, and as there's less space to move. So that's why I have this extra tag here. As you close the door and the space becomes lessened, you're closing and you're grabbing the upturned hinge from behind, and obviously now it's very lubed up, and it will see that it might not fall into place easily. So numerous tries. It takes a little patience, but eventually it's like almost a monumental feeling of success when you finally go to open the door, and instead of the resistance of the hinge stuck behind, you'll see it come out on top of this piece of metal. So that's the alternative, guys. That's probably why it was a monumental feeling of success, is because I fashioned this tool out of thin air, and I visualized how to do this instead of through the side with that hook going up and grabbing it from the inside, coming in numerous tries, grabbing it, closing the door, and pulling it down so that when you open the door, it's in place. All right, good luck, everybody.